What's going on, everyone? It's Joe Newman, your Tampa Bay Realtor, and today we're breaking down what's really happening in the Tampa Bay real estate market and what's shifting in pretty interesting ways. If you're a buyer, seller, investor, or someone thinking about moving to Florida, this video is going to help you understand where the market stands today, where opportunities are opening up, and you should be paying attention to what happens over the next few months. And honestly, the market right now is very different from what we saw a few years ago. So let's jump in. Let's start with the detached single family homes. Technically, this is still considered a seller's market because inventory remains relatively low overall. Right now we're sitting at about 3.2 months of inventory, and usually a balanced market is closer to 5 to 6 months. So sellers still have some advantage. But buyers are becoming way more selective. We're seeing more homes sitting on the market, more price reductions, longer days on the market, and more seller concessions. The average home is now sitting on the market 51 days, which is a major increase compared to previous years. Over half of closed sales have actually had price reductions. That's a huge shift. And nearly half of sellers are helping buyers with concessions right now, with median home seller concessions at around $10,000. So what does this mean? If you're a buyer, you may have more negotiating power than you think. You might be able to negotiate closing costs, repairs, rate buydowns, or even price reductions, especially on homes that have been sitting longer. Now, that doesn't mean every house is suddenly a deal. The really nice homes that are priced correctly and show well are still moving quickly. But overpriced homes, buyers are skipping over them. That's one of the biggest changes we're seeing in this market. And now let's talk about condos, townhomes, villas, because this is where buyers are gaining even more leverage. This segment of the market has slowed down more noticeably. Days on market have jumped up to 80 days on average. Price reductions are increasing heavily, and sellers are facing stronger competition. The median sell to list price ratio dropped significantly, which tells us buyers are negotiating more harder in this space. We're also seeing condo prices soften slightly year over year. So if you're a buyer looking for affordability, trying to get into the market right now at a lower monthly payment, condos and townhomes may offer some of the best opportunities for you, especially if you're willing to negotiate strategically. So what's the big takeaway from all of this? The Tampa Bay market is becoming more balanced. We're no longer seeing the wild market where almost every home sells instantly with multiple offers over asking price. Today's market rewards strategy, and for buyers, this can actually be a good time to buy because you have more options, negotiating power, and less competition than we've seen in peak frenzy years. And for sellers, homes are selling, but pricing correctly matters more than ever. Presentation matters more than ever, and marketing matters more than ever. The homes that win today are the homes that have been positioned correctly from day one. Again, I'm Joe Newman, your Tampa Bay Realtor, and I'll see you in the next session.